Art Mod activated! TVO Kids, it's time for artwork! Woo-hoo! And it's done by you! Let's take a look today at some fast cars! This one is by Lucas, age 7. What an awesome car, Lucas! Wow, I love that you use the color red! Oh, it makes me so happy to take a look! Let's see one more! Oh, yay! This is by Sydney, age 9. It says, "Hurry, I'm hurrying. They must be late for school. I love funny pictures. Let's see another one. This one is by Will, age 7. Well done, Will! I love it. You have the tires and the windows in there. So creative, TVO Kids. Remember, keep creating your creative creations online, TVOkids.com, and I will show your artwork here. Until next time, I'm Artbot.
Stay right where you are. There's more fun to come on TVO Kids Weekends.